Welcome back to Cars in the Community. Today we're going to be visiting Heel Animal and Rescue Center in Youngwood, PA.
A special thanks to Smail and employees for the gifts that were donated. Hey guys, Carolyn here, digital content creator at Smail. I'm here with Mary. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm Mary Withrow, and I'm the executive director here at Heel Animal Rescue.
Awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about Heel? How did you guys start out?
Heel was started back in 2008 as a place to take in homeless animals, homeless cats and dogs and bunnies. And it's grown over the years to now having a farm sanctuary out in Withrow also. And we do, as you saw, Dottie. I mean, we have a lot of dogs here who have a lot of special needs, medical needs. And we're a shelter around here that is absolutely committed to helping the animals of this area.
Mary then brought us to meet all the dogs. So can you tell us, I'm sure some of the viewers have seen Dottie on the news if they're local. Can you tell us a little bit about Dottie?
Dottie was brought in by a Good Samaritan who, what we know to this point is she was found on the side of the road, kind of popped her head up, and the people pulled over and got her in the car and brought her over here, and we took one look at her and said, we have to do something. This dog is, Dottie was not going to last much longer. And there's absolutely nothing to her skin and bones. Yeah. And it's hard to see, but we have seen quite a few cases this year. We've had a couple here of the same kind of thing. And that's one thing that we really want to try to get out there, that if you need help or you need food or you need cat litter, to please reach out to us.
Yes.
Don't let it get to this or to the point where you're not feeding you because you're feeding your animals.
Yeah.
Or, a lot of people end up having to surrender because they can't afford to feed their animals. We want to be a resource for people so that they don't have to surrender their pets.
For sure.
We know how much pets enrich the lives of people.
Yes.
And all that they can do. So keeping them in the home is really what we are trying to do.
So what are some ways that our community could help you guys out?
We always need fosters, volunteers, donations, of course. And then, you guys brought some supplies today. And we always need dog food, cat food, treats, all kinds of things. And we do have a wish list on Amazon and Chewy.
Okay.
Yeah. But, share our Facebook posts, share our Instagram posts, anything like that. If you can't come here physically or you can't donate, then, just help us get the word out there and the awareness that we're here and, we're willing to help people. And come find your best friend here
Yes.
too.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We were then shown the feline wing.
we're gonna be like, where were you?
Where were you, right? For real. A special thank you to Mary Withrow for inviting us to Heal Animal Center.
If you'd like to support Mary, click the links in the description or go to healanimalrescue.org.
Thank you to the Smail employees and family for the donations that filled the back of the Acura MDX. This has been Cars in the Community. Thank you for watching.